Welcome back to day 70 of walking from Seoul to the northernmost point of Japan. The eagle-eyed among you may notice I don't have my backpack. I just left it at the hotel and took a train to where we left off yesterday. Yeah, right by the sea here. It's gorgeous. 40 minutes left. We have entered Akita. Can't really see much, but trust me, we have. Good morning. It is very wet. I can only hope that we find someplace dry to set up camp and sleep tonight. But yeah, it's coming down. Just had some delicious cold soba noodles. Now there's just 2 hours left until our first potential campsite. But yeah, I don't know. I've like pinpointed 5 different possibilities on Google, so we'll see what happens. Let's just hope one of them works. We found our campsite for the night. Nice and dry, and with a riverfront view. All right, so our tent for the night is set up. So, good night. Somebody called the cops on me. They're checking my passport right now. What the hell? It's 6:30 in the morning. It's like some people have nothing better to do. 4 cops showed up. It's like I'm a national security threat. And we're off. Very foggy, very rainy. But tonight, for the first time in 2 nights, we will be staying in a hotel. So, after a more dramatic than expected morning, we're on the road again. But yeah, no, that was a first. You know, I've dealt with the Korean military, but like, I've never been stopped by the Japanese police before, so definitely a first. Cool. It's a shrine in the woods. Afternoon, folks, and yeah, just passed into Aomori Prefecture. So tonight we're camping. I don't know where. It's not raining, so we can set up out in the open. But it's just sort of like, I have no clue where we're gonna sleep tonight. But tomorrow morning we have to get, I have to get up at 5, well, I have to leave the tent by 5:30. So I gotta be up by like 4:30 to pack up the tent, because I need to make the 2:30 ferry, because I messed up my hotel reservation, and it's very complicated. But basically, I need to make the 2:30 p.m. ferry, which means I have to be up at 4:30 in the morning tomorrow. So I am not quite looking forward to this. Nice little spot under the bridge, so nice. I'm in a tunnel, and you know what else there is? A sidewalk! Story time. A stranger booked us this cabin so we wouldn't have to sleep in a bus stop. So now we're headed off to a event to help his children set up a bouncy castle. And also, national TV are still following us. I got it.